How to add an extra layer of protection to your Windows DNS. Try this quick code setup. Step number 1. Press the Windows plus R key. Then type this command ncpa.cpl. Then click on the OK tab. Now here choose your network adapter. Simply right click on this network adapter. Then click on the properties tab. So in this slide, scroll down and you have to look out for the Internet Protocol IPv4. Simply click on it and click on the properties tab. So in this slide, you just need to type this DNS address 9 again 9 again 9 and 9, and here alternate DNS server address. Type this simple address here 149 112 112 and 112. That's it. Then simply click on the OK tab and then close this slide and you are done. Look, basically Quad9 is security focused DNS service that can block many domains linked to malicious activity. It will provide extra layer of security on your host DNS service. But wait, before I sign out, if this tutorial helps you, do not forget to like, comment, share and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.